The seven elements of art are line, shape, color, texture, space, form, and value. They're the tools you use to create art. Get ready to step into the mind-blowing world of form. We're talking about the art element that makes things leap off the canvas and feel alive. Let's dive in with some old-school art masters like Caravaggio to see form in action. Form is all about giving your art that 3D magic. It's how you make objects look like they have height, width, and depth, like you could reach out and touch them. Think sculptures, but also paintings that trick your eye into seeing real shapes. Form is what turns a flat circle into a glowing orb, or a painted figure into a living, breathing person. Let's talk about the rock star of form, Caravaggio. This 17th century artist was a genius at using light and shadow, called chiaroscuro, to make his figures pop off the canvas. Look at the Supper at Emmaus. The way light hits the faces and hands makes them feel like they're right there in the room. Caravaggio sculpted form with paint, turning flat surfaces into epic, 3D stories that grab you and don't let go. Caravaggio wasn't alone. Michelangelo carved David from marble, giving us a form so real it feels like it could walk away. Leonardo da Vinci used perspective in The Last Supper to make the table and figures feel like they're in a real room. And Rembrandt? He was another light and shadow wizard, making his figures in The Night Watch feel solid and dynamic. These artists used form to make their art feel real and pull you into their world. Now it's your turn to rock form like the old masters. Grab some pastels and draw something simple, like a fruit or a cup. Use shading to make it look 3D. Dark shadows on one side, bright highlights on the other.